Hello, I am Clare Harvey-May from Olympus UK, and today we're going to have a quick and close-up look at two of our pro lenses. The first one I'm going to show you is the 40 to 150 2.8 lens. So this has an equivalent, 35mm equivalent of 80 to 300mm, and it has a constant aperture of 2.8. So really sharp, really fast, pretty awesome on its own, pretty much good for everything. You can use it for portraits, for wildlife, has a close focusing distance of 0.7 meters, and it is an amazing lens. If you pair it with the 2x converter, you're then getting f5.6 as a constant, but you're doubling up on the focal length. So you're then getting a 160 to 600mm in this tiny lens. I paired it with the EM1 Mark III, just because it's easy to handle and I love it, really easy to use. So well worth checking that out. Now the second lens we're going to look at is the 300mm. Now 300mm is pretty legendary in the fact that it's a 600mm equivalent for the weight of 1.75 kilos. Absolutely lightweight, brilliant combo, especially if you're traveling or doing wildlife or wanting to carry it for long periods of time. Has a constant aperture of f4, but also has the image sync technology, which means there's a floating piece of glass in there which mimics the movement of the sensor, synchronization. So it's much faster, and it gives you, in some cameras, it gives you 7.5 stops of EV. Pretty awesome. I have paired this with the 1.4x converter. So again, it's giving you a constant aperture of f5.6 in this very small lightweight body, but you're now getting 840mm of focal length in 35mm equivalent terms. So really worth trying out. Now don't forget, both lenses are fully weather sealed. And as I said, the weight and the sort of manual focus combination, it means they're so easy to use, but awesome to focus and awesome to play with. So if you've got any questions about these lenses, if you need any more information, please put your comments in the text box below and we'll get back to you. Have a good day. See you again.